This is my night at the truck stop here in Texas. It's gonna be hard to sleep tonight with these loud birds. They're everywhere. But I can sleep through anything. So, I just wanted to make this quick little video and tell you about Team National. And one of these days I won't be on the road driving like this. For myself, Team National is going to get me out and be financially free. And I'll have my time freedom back, and I'll be helping people do the same thing. So with that, look at this. I made a screen. I just used screen material to keep the bugs out of my van. Pretty smart, huh? Anyway, just want to let you know, if you want to know more about Team National. That's blurry. I wonder why that's so blurry. Let me know, and I'll leave an email. It's a really good company. Save money and earn money. Okay, have a good night from Texas.